What I have here is a legless lizard. He's kind of hyper. I just caught him. He don't want to cooperate. But let me try to sit down and calm him down for a second. He's pretty unique. Come here. Come here. I know you want to get away. I'll let you go in a minute. I'll let you go in a minute, okay? Easy fella. Easy fella. Come here. Did you poop on me? Let's see. He has ear holes. Very small on the side. But he looks like a snake, but he's a lizard without legs. He's little, they don't get that big. He's kind of calm now. He's been trying to get away from me. Almost ran him over with the lawnmower. It's hard to see the colors. He's just like I'm kind of colorblind, so he's real pretty. There we go. He's being still for me. He knows he's on camera. No, I'm just kidding. You don't know. He's just wondering what I'm gonna do.